Now, this session covers about how to write a research report. Research report is considered to be one of the major component of a research study. You have identified a problem, you have stated the objectives, developed a research design methodology, you have identified your population sample, developed a research instrument, mostly a questionnaire, you have collected your data, analyzed your data, made your findings, interpreted it, you have made your results, etc. Now the next big budget area is you need to prepare a research report. Without making a research report, whatever activities you have done will not be complete. So your research ends by making a research report, and it is a very important crucial element of a research process also. So we need to follow some steps in writing research. Some different steps should be considered when you write a research report. And we can say that there are 6 important steps to be identified, 6 important steps to be considered in mind when you do a research report. The first step is logical analysis of subject matter. That is, you have done a research, you have made a research based upon a particular concepts. That is, there is a sequence of way or a way in which you have done. That is, only if you have identified a perfect problem and you have developed into a statement based upon the problem, you have developed your objectives, then you have designed your study, then you have made a research instrument, identified the universe, population, your sample size, etc. You identified what are tools you are going to use for your analysis, etc. So there is a logic between one item over the another item. So when you present the report also, you should follow this particular logical analysis. Basically, there are two important methods. One is you do it logically based upon the logic you have applied, one after the another, and second is chronological order. You might have heard the name chronological. It is based upon the time or occurrence in connection, but mostly in our research, in our social sciences research, we follow what is called a logical analysis. How did you interrelate one over the another? How did you, after developing your methodology, you might have read about 100, 200 literatures on this particular area. Then you have identified the gaps. Based upon the gap, you have developed a questionnaire or a research instrument. That is, there is a logic in between that. So the first important thing when you write a report is there should be logic connecting one. So you make a chapter interconnecting one with respect to the another in a particular order. So that is called logical analysis of subject matter. Next is, once there is a logical analysis, you have to prepare a final outline. That is, outlines are basically a framework which help you to develop your report. That is, introduction. So what are all the contents comes under introduction. Second outline will be a research methodology. What is the type of research you're going to carry on with this. Then after that, next is your research instrument designing, etc. and your data. The next chapter will be your analysis. Next chapter will be your findings, suggestions, etc. Your results page. Finally, you conclude it. So you have made a framework based upon the logical analysis. So that is the second important step which you have to keep in mind. You have a logical analysis. Based upon the logical analysis, you make a framework. Preparation of final outcome is the framework. After making the framework, you are going to fill in between all those things. You are going to that is, strengthen the framework by taking the matter into each and every area of the framework. So that is called a rough draft. Rough draft follows the logical analysis of the subject, and it is the preparation of the final outcome. That is, you will write down all the procedures adopted by you to collect the material, limitations faced by you. You will be filling the various techniques which you have used. You will be filling the findings, recommendations area. That is, it makes a rough draft of based upon the framework which you have developed. So you have a logical analysis. Based upon the logical analysis, you have made up a framework. You are strengthening your framework with the help of what is called a rough draft. Your rough draft is a draft which will lead you ahead of your report. After making a rough draft, what you do is you rewrite and polish the rough draft. There are some areas which require more strength, which require some areas which is not required, some areas which has to be merged, etc. So you rewrite and you polish the rough draft, you strengthen it. You strengthen with more items, that is, you make it a good piece of writing. While rewriting and polish, you will check for all the weakness in the logical development, in the presentation, in the framework, etc. And then you will strengthen it. Maybe you need to rearrange the framework which you have done, or you need to, the logical analysis may have to be edited one after the another, etc. in this particular area. So once you make your rough draft, you rewrite, repolish the rough draft. So that is the fourth important step. First is logical analysis. Second is you make a final outline, that is a framework. Then you make a rough draft, you edit and polish the rough draft. Fifth step is you are going to prepare your final bibliography. You are going to prepare your final bibliography. That is, bibliography is given at the end of the project report. What are all the references you have done in this particular work will be said as your bibliography. So there is a particular format which we apply to write bibliography. For a starter beginner, this is the basic format which we usually say. Different journals have different methods of bibliography, but one of the standard format is deposited here. For books and pamphlets, suppose if you are referring a book, you have added a reference as a book. So how you are going to add that book in your bibliography area is name of the author, but the last name should come first. If your name is Michael Jackson, your bibliography will be written as Jackson, Michael. Then next is title, underline to italics. Then title means the title of the book. It has to be in italics format. So there will be a difference between the author name and the title of the book. Then after writing the title, you write the place, publisher, date of publication. And lastly, you write number of volumes. So this is how you write it for the book. Author, last name first, then the first name of the author, title in italics, place, publisher, date of publication and volume to the last. So this is for books. When it comes, that is, if we are referring a book, the Kothari book which I have told you to make it as a reference for a research methodology. His name is C.R. Kothari. So you write Kothari, C.R. Quantitative Techniques is his book's name. So it is in italics. Then the place, publisher and date of publication, New Delhi, Vikas Publication House Private Limited, 1980. This book is published in the year 1978. So this is how you write the bibliography for a book. When it comes to magazine, newspapers, journal articles, etc., this has to be followed. Name of the author and the last name should be first. Michael Jackson, Michael. Title of the article in quotation marks, that is the title of the article. Study of research amongst a study of research, maybe that is the name of the article. So that should be in quotation, quotes, should be in quotes, title of the article. Then write the name of the periodical, in which journal it is published. The name of the journal should be written there. Underline to indicate italics. The title in quotation, name of the journal in italics. Then after that you write the volume, date of issue and the page. So coming to the example, Robert V. Rusa. His name will be Rusa V. Robert. So you write Robert, V. Rusa. The article name is Coping with Short-Term International Money Flows. The journal name is The Banker. And the volume, number, date of issue and the page, it is September 1971, page is 995. So this is how you make a bibliography. And the last step, the fifth step is making a bibliography, and the last step is after you finish your bibliography, you are going to make this as a final report, writing the final report. and you should use simple language. You should not be very vague. That is, you should not include these terms like it seems, there may be. That is, you are not sure. You are going to present something which you have done a research and you are quite sure about it. So maybe, there can be. So these terminologies are not acceptable when you write a good research report. Illustrations and examples based upon some experiences can also be incorporated in the final draft. Research findings should be very strong, and it should not be, and the report should should create enthusiasm in the reader when they when they read one area after the another area, or when they read one chapter after the second chapter. It should create and maintain interest among the reader. Only if your work is original, it can evoke interest. So whatever you do, it should be your own work. There should be originality in the work you have done, and that originality will be a plus point of your research report. So these are the 6 steps in writing a research report. Logical analysis of the subject matter. Based upon the logical analysis, you're going to develop a framework that we call it as the preparation of the final outline. Once the final outline is done, you're going to strengthen it. Preparation of the rough draft. Once you have made the rough draft, then you do what is called rewriting and polishing the rough draft to make it more clear, make it more strong, etc. Then you make your bibliography. After making your bibliography, you are going to make the final draft. So these are the 6 steps which has to be kept in mind by any researcher when you do a research.